I dedicate this video to all my best friend in Ethiopia. Uh, this tutorial video will teach you how to say hi to your Nuer friend in Gambella or in Addis Ababa or in the Western world. You don't have any problem if you learn this because communication is the key forward. In order for you to learn Nuer language, I put together this simple tutorial for you to learn Nuer. If you are in the university or in the college, or you are moving around New Land in Gambela or in the street of Addis Ababa, I believe you are in the right place. Feel free, please, to comment below if you have any requests. Anyway, let's get started. Okay. Here it said learn Nuer language today. How to say hi. These are the basics. We have this thing called how are you. When you say how are you in English, in Nuer we say it male. Male. Okay? We say it male. How are you? Then Nuer will respond male. Male. Okay? When you say male in Nuer, you have to respond in English, I am fine. In this way, we say it malmigwa. Malmigwa. How are you? Male. I am fine. In Nuer we say malmigwa. Good morning. In Nuer we say it male kerunwa. Male kerunwa. That's how we say it. Male kerunwa. When you say good morning, you say it male kerunwa. Good afternoon, it means good afternoon. It means male ke chengder. Male ke chengder. Male ke chengder. Good evening, you have to say it male ke tiang. Good evening, male ke tiang. Okay? You can even say it good night. Good night, it means male ke wer, or simply you have to say it nini kamal. In this way, it will be easy for you to communicate with your Nuer friend. The next one is you might be wanting to say it, what is your name? Or you would like to ask your friend names. You have to say it, when you say it or somebody asks you, what is your name? In Nuer language, we say it, shall, should, do, di. Shall, should, do, di. Shall, should, do, di. In response, you be like, my name is maybe Thomasgen or any name or John or Daniel. Let me put John. My name is John. Okay, John. In where we said shall, should, the John. Shall, should, the John. This is what we're meaning. My name is John. Shall, should, the John. In this way, you can be able to interact with your Nuer friend without any difficulty wherever you are. Thank you for watching and thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe and tell me what you would like to hear and what you would like to learn in Nuer language. Thank you for your time. I don't want to waste your time. Thank you anyway. I love all of you. Feel free, please, to drop your comment below. Thank you.